Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a really free website where you can generate unlimited images through Nano Banana, Claude, Gemini, GPT prompts. This website is completely open source z-image.pix. This is a website if you directly go to the browser. I have also given the link in the description of the video. So once you land on this, the interface is quite simple. Right here, no login is required. You directly type the prompt and side by side the images are generated. So as you can see, it uses Nano Sora, Nano Banana, Video Dance. So inside the chat prompt, you simply type the prompt. So I will say, so as you can see, we have written this prompt here. And from here, you can even adjust the aspect ratio, everything you can control from here. And you can see that you can even enhance the image as well. And click on generate image. As soon as you do this, you will see the image will now generate. It's also very fast as well. Instantly the images are generated using AI. So there is no subscription credit system. So you can generate unlimited images. So now you can see the image is successfully generated. You get this download button as well. From here you can generate, can simply download the image as well. So you can see that it doesn't have a watermark at all. You can see that. Let me change the prompt here. So from here you can create unlimited images. There is no restriction out there. So it's a completely free website, Z-IMG Pix. So you can see that. So the quality looks like it's a real image. It doesn't look like it's generated by AI. So it's completely unlimited as you see. It's completely free to use with no hidden charges or subscription requirements. So you can even change the aspect ratio as well from here. 9 by 16 for every social media. You can even enhance the image by ticking this option. So in the background, it's using the latest AI models such as Nano Banana for actually generating this images that you see right here. So we can see these images are professional looking full HD images as you can see. You can download these images for completely free. There is no watermark out there. So as you can see, we are generating these images, but we are not getting any credit system or any kind of subscription notice. So this is truly unlimited. There is no login required, no sign up required. Just come directly, write the prompt and get your image. You can see that the speed is also really insane. So you can just see here. So it's a Perfect website if you are looking forward for a AI image generator with unlimited free access without login. This is a perfect website. Just come and directly type the prompt and get your image in 5 seconds. So you can write any kind of prompt, just there is no limit to it. Just type the prompt. So you get this professional looking images. As you can see, it's looking like a real image to me. You can see that we written this now. So we almost generated, I think, 10 images without. You can see that sometimes it can be not perfect, but it gives you results which are professional looking. So you can play with this tool. It's a free website. Definitely check this out. Z-IMG.